Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to race with your friends on the CSR 2 game. So let's get started right away. Now as you progress further within the game, you will find the options to race with your friends by adding them onto your account within the game. However, if you wish to do this before you have progressed much forward, then you can proceed with creating your club from the Join Club menu. Once you have created your club, you can simply tap on the club menu from your home page and you will be taken to your crew championship page. Just click on the manage option at the right side and now you will find the invite friends button. Go ahead and tap on this and then you will be able to log into your Facebook or your Google account to proceed forward with choosing the friends that you wish to invite. Once you invite your friends by selecting them, they will be added as a member within your crew. Once you have added your members, you will be able to hold races between your team members. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to race with your friends on the CSR 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.